welcome back to the channel, Mississippi Girl Life. Okay, so this is gonna be a recall video. Now today is May 14th 2025, and this month was supposed to be all live screens. We didn't go live yesterday night. Well, last night my assistant had told y'all yesterday we was gonna come back and go live, and we didn't because we couldn't. Every blue moon YouTube started acting up with me when I'm trying to go live, and so it just sits there and then it changed off. Y'all have heard me talk about this before, and some other content creators have this same issue. So if I can't go live, then I gotta film. So that messes up my all live May. So I probably just, because I wanted to go live last night, I wanted to go live earlier today, and today is what time is it?
It is 5:16.
It's 5:16 p.m. and I ain't been able to go live today. So I can't do nothing about it. So what happens is when one thing go wrong, you find another way to get to make it happen. Okay, so I'm back to uploading because I don't have time for that. This may take a while to upload and it may not, but the last couple of times I've had this problem, I've been able to upload with no problem. Maybe about one time things was taking forever, but I was able to upload with no problem. Just could not get on the live. So it is what it is. I don't know. Okay, so I'm back to just uploading. It seems like some don't want me to be great. But anyway, so I have taken some notes, so let's get into it. So Walmart recalls food products in all 50 states. Okay, all 50 states. All right, so we're gonna start with the first thing, and I got as much information as the article was given so I can give it to y'all. Okay, so the first thing is Yellowstone brown sugar molasses baked beans. Yellowstone brown sugar molasses baked beans. Okay, they was recalled on May 2nd 2025. all right, so sometimes people have stuff in their cabinets and stuff and they don't pay attention to it. Okay, so recalls, yeah, we really need to pay attention to it, and you may not heard it when it first came out or whatnot, but it's still an active recall. All right, so the brand is Vietta Food Group, Vietta. Give me 1 second. If you need me to take a picture, let me know. Sorry, my son is doing he's on Zoom with a teacher doing his end of the year school testing because they homeschool, so I have to be in and out taking pictures of his work that he's doing since it's on Zoom to send to them. So yeah. All right, so the brand is Vietta Food Group. Okay, and the reason for the recall is undeclared soy poses a risk to those with soy allergies. Okay, so there's people that cannot have soy at all, and there's a undeclared soy, so I'm guessing it's not saying that it has soy in it when it does. Okay, it says no illnesses has been reported. Okay, so the next thing is market side celery sticks, and I know I used to see these often when I worked at Walmart. Okay, market side is like their little deli brand. They have market side lemonade and all that type of stuff, but market side is like their little deli brand. And it's market side celery sticks, recalled on April 10th 2025. Okay, but they still have it active. It is Duda Food Fresh Incorporation. Okay, or income, however they say INC. Okay, I don't know which way they are saying it, but that's what it says. And it's a potential Listeria monocytogenes contamination. Throw away and don't eat if frozen. So I'm guessing they may have some that could be frozen, but it say throw away, don't eat it if it's frozen. I've never seen none of them frozen, but hey, never know. Is everything good?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So next we have the Tostitos, Katina traditional yellow corn tortilla chips. Okay. Recall was on March 26, 2025, and the brand is Frito-Lay, and it said the bags have nacho cheese tortilla chips with undeclared milk, posing risk to those with milk allergies. Okay, so definitely be careful with that. I know a couple people that have milk allergies. A friend of mine's, her son, little baby, has milk allergies, so you know, people need to really be careful with those if you have the nacho cheese ones in the bag. Okay. It said the bags, it said discard bags, and no allergic reaction has been reported. All right, on to the next. So the next is the Lean Cuisine and Stouffer's frozen meals. Okay, it said it was recalled on March 17, 2025. All right. Potential presence of wood-like material in specific frozen meal batches, with one choking incident reported. Okay, so there's been a choking incident reported with the Lean Cuisine and Stouffer's frozen meals. All right. The recall, like I said, was March 17, 2025. The brand is Nestle USA. And it says return for full refund or replacement. And it says these were sold between September 2024 and March 2025. So, you know, sometimes people, especially people with big families, I know they will go and buy stuff like that and stock it up and put it in their freezer, and sometimes it be months before they even take it out. So if it was recalled March 17, 2025, people could have definitely bought that in September 2024 and forward and just have it in their freezer and never even used it yet. So the recall article that I watched, that I read with these items in there, was an updated one, but they put the ones that is still active, still going, and still, I guess, you know, is a concern. So those are the some recalls of food products that Wal-Mart has recalled in all 50 states. If you pay attention, y'all, there is a lot of recalls, and it's been like that for the last couple years. That's why it is so important for us to grow our own food, try to preserve our own food, try to make a lot of things at home. That way we know what's in it, and if we can tolerate it. If y'all was in one of my live streams where I did the almond milk, boy, now I be trying my best, that's all I can do, but ooh, that almond milk did a dilly on me time. I don't know if I'm allergic to almonds, since I'm becoming allergic to a lot of stuff, or if it's just like what one of the honey buns said in there is raw, so it instantly started messing with my GERD like time I drank it. I am gonna try some regular almond milk that I bought from the store, and if I've been drinking it and it haven't bothered me, but I'm gonna try it again because I've been scared to drink some since I did the raw almond milk here at home. And if the store almond milk don't do anything, I'll just stick with that. I don't want to because of the preservatives, but definitely the raw almonds that I did at home. And I don't want to cook them and then make a milk out of them, but they will be cooked and wouldn't be raw. Okay, I may try it and see how it does, but first I'm just gonna try the almond milk. But that is just part of 40 more seconds. Okay, so my assistant is telling me to wrap this video up. That's why it's important for us to try trial and error, so we'll know, because your body study changing. What you could eat a month ago or a year ago, you may not be able to eat then. You can get an intolerance and a food allergy at any time in your life. Trust me, I know. So with that being said, y'all, I hope these recalls help. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so we can notify each and every time that I upload a video. And I will see y'all in the next one if it's God's will. Y'all be safe, okay? Until next time. Bye.